HP was one of the first companies to debut a Windows 10 PC running on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 835 chip. That PC was a 2-in-1 tablet/laptop, the NVX2, $538.88 at Amazon.com. The Snapdragon 835 is the same chip in phones like Samsung's Galaxy S8, $629.99 at Amazon.com, and LG's V30, $749.99 at Best Buy, and promises to deliver up to 20 hours of battery life. However, if you like the design, but are unwilling to jump to Qualcomm, HP announced an Intel version of the tablet at CES 2018. The fanless design is a millimeter thicker than the Qualcomm version at 7.9mm and a touch heavier at £1.65, but you'll likely be getting better performance with its 7th gen Intel Core i series processor. It seems to come at the cost of some battery life, estimated at up to 15 hours. The backlit keyboard cover has been redesigned as well, to make it more lap friendly. Otherwise, the two tablet PCs are similarly configured with up to 8GB of memory and up to 256GB of storage and a 12.3-inch WUXGA Plus resolution touchscreen with Gorilla Glass 4 on top for strength. Like the Qualcomm version, the Intel X2 is ready to be used on a 4G LTE network, so you can start working without worrying about an unsafe Wi-Fi network or tethering to your phone or hotspot. Also, the tablet is pen enabled, and HP is throwing in the pen and keyboard for the price, which unfortunately isn't available just yet. Exact availability is undetermined too. HP expects it to start shipping sometime this spring.